Welcome to our showdown between two top contenders in the portable ice maker market, the Frigidaire and the Igloo. Both machines promise a daily output of 26 pounds of ice, making them perfect for parties, gatherings, or just keeping your drinks cool at home. But today we'll dive into their design, maintenance features, and overall performance to see which one comes out on top. Let's get started. The Frigidaire Ice Maker boasts a premium stainless steel finish that adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. Its robust design not only looks good, but also ensures durability. In contrast, the Igloo model, while compact and lightweight, features a plastic exterior that may not feel as sturdy. However, its smaller footprint makes it ideal for tight spaces. When it comes to maintenance, the Frigidaire requires manual cleaning, which can be a hassle for some users. It includes a drain plug for easy water disposal, but regular scrubbing is necessary to prevent buildup. On the other hand, the Igloo Ice Maker features a self-cleaning function, making it incredibly convenient for users who want to ensure fresh-tasting ice without the extra effort. Both ice makers produce 26 pounds of ice daily, but they differ in their ice cycle times. The Frigidaire produces 9 bullet-shaped cubes every 7 minutes, while the Igloo creates 8 cylinder-shaped cubes in a similar time frame. This slight difference may affect how quickly you can fill your ice bucket during a party, so consider your needs when choosing between them. In conclusion, both the Frigidaire and Igloo ice makers offer excellent features for anyone in need of portable ice production. The Frigidaire stands out with its premium design and larger water tank, while the Igloo impresses with its self-cleaning capability and compact size. Depending on your priorities, either could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.